make your sunshine feel better. For vitamins that get to feel better. All the days are warm in the get to sunshine into you.
And
amen. Okay.
And what about your rash? Did it make your rash go away?
Yeah.
What did you use? Show us what you used to make your rash go away.
Vitamin stuff.
And did you use lotion too to make it go away?
Yes.
Which one did you use? Show me.
These fishy ones.
No, to make your rash go away. What did you put on your rash? What lotion did you put on your rash?
The flower one.
Yeah, Pau d'Arco. That makes rashes go away, huh? And it gets rid of yeast.
How about this one?
And that one is like, it makes your boo-boos go away, doesn't it? It makes everything feel better.
Yes.
Okay. And do you like your vitamins?
Yes.
And what are your vitamins called?
Nature Sunshine.
Yep. Nature Sunshine?
Yep.
Alright, eat them.
Okay, another one.
Are they good?
Yep.
They're really good, huh?
Next.
Next.
Yep.
You like your fishies?
Next is other vitamins is this one.
And they make you feel better, right? You've had enough fishies. You like them too, don't you? Which ones are your favorites?
Pink and orange.
Pink and
purple.
And what do they taste like?
These taste like lemon.
Lemon? What else?
Strawberry. This is orange, and this is purple, and this is blue.
Okay, and tell us how much you love Nature Sunshine. Alright, we're done eating the Nature Sunshine.
Whatever.
Say thanks, Nature Sunshine.
Thanks, Nature Sunshine.
Nature Sunshine.
Thank you for your sunshine.